Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds, and right here at the right side we have a button what's called disconnect. You may have a line with this button and we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, it will stop Bluetooth connection, your phone stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's click on it, and as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, it's not connected with my phone, but I left it at the device list, and if I want to reconnect, I just stop at these earbuds. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!